Hey guys, this is Shawn at Kelly Winter Haven for our weekly video. And this week we're going to feature one of our Jeeps. We sell a ton of Jeeps over here. We sell mostly lifted. We got a couple stocks in the 18s, but most of our Jeeps are lifted and customized. This is a 2016 Sport, great shape. Already has the 4-inch lift with the 35 1250s on 22 by 12 wheels. This thing's loaded out, got all your power windows, power locks. This does have the soft top, which a lot of people do want. Easy to come off, easy to put back on. So great shape. It's only got 24,000 miles on it. So if you're looking for a custom Jeep, hit us up. If we don't have exactly what you're looking for, let us know what you're looking for. We have Jeeps all over the place, and we generally can find what you're looking for. Did that with a guy this morning. He wanted a certain Jeep. We were able to get exactly what he wanted and save him probably about $3,000–4,000. Did it last Saturday. They went to a Jeep dealership, came here, and saved over $9,000. So we can help you with the Jeep, whether you want stock, lifted, extreme. Let us know. We keep them in stock. If we don't have it, we'll find it. All right, guys, give us a call here at Kelly Winter Haven, 863-875-5662, and we'll set you up. See you next week.